So this flange is broke right here. So we're gonna fix that with the repair ring. So we did have to do a little extra. But we'll get that fixed up right here.
How's it looking?
Oh, fine. We're gonna just use a repair ring and that'll fix the problem.
Okay.
All right, Kyle, here you are. I got you, built you a brand new flange, all nice and solid now. So that's looking real good. We're ready to get this new toilet on. All right, here we are, Kyle. We're gonna do our flush to show the new toilet. Go ahead. You just let go. You want to hold it down. Yeah, we just, and it goes right back up. There you go.
Beautiful.
Got your new flusher. And let's check for any leaks or anything. No leaks. Always do my leak checks. Make sure everything's sealed right. Good. Okay, looks good. Good.
Hey, forgot one more thing.
What's that?
Forgot one thing.
And we need the top. You're right. There you go. You got a flusher. That's the last part to the... And you are ready to go.
That's part to the puzzle.